This is Rohit, and firstly, welcome to Full Tank Films.
Once more. Good morning! Where are we headed today?
Gaza.
So where are we headed today?
Padum.
Actually, we were headed to a place called Kalse. So that's on the Kargil road.
Kalse.
There's a fuel pump.
How much is the total?
How many of you have fueled up already and how many of you haven't?
Fueled up.
We haven't.
So the briefing is just done. We'll be leaving to Padum in the next 5 minutes, and it's going to be a very long day. We've been told the road is really shitty, so let's see how it goes. Everybody is gearing up and all ready to go. I'm Hollow Man. Interceptor chala ke Hollow Man. There are some roads you remember for the view, and there are roads you remember for everything they put you through. लेह से पादुम का राइड कुछ ऐसा ही था. The first few kilometers were almost deceivingly easy. Smooth tarmac, sweeping curves, and the mighty Himalayas standing tall on either sides. And then one left turn. That's where we entered the Zanskar Valley. And within minutes, the road completely changed. The tarmac disappeared. Smooth roads were replaced by rocks, loose gravel, water crossings, and some of the toughest off-road sections that I had ever ridden. The deeper we went, the narrower the road became. But strangely, none of us were complaining. हर ब्रेक पे बाइक साइड में लगती थी. सब एक दूसरे को देख के हंसते थे. Because honestly, this is exactly why we had come here. We had no idea what was waiting around the next corner, and then the water crossing started. One after the other. Kabhi pani kam, kabhi thoda zyada, and every time you just picked your line and went for it. Until, of course, the boys decided that the main trail wasn't challenging enough. They found some random unknown trail and obviously decided to explore it. A few minutes later, the bikes were stuck. Right in the middle of the rocks at nearly 14,000 feet, and suddenly that adventure didn't seem quite as funny anymore.
फट गई दोस्तों. Fuck, you're killing me with the rocks, man. What we are doing this? Let's go! Oh man, come on, Danny. He's coming. Come on, Danny. All right, let's go. Just a bit more. Go. Wait. Yeah. I need someone in the front. Yeah. Showing the wind with the hand, you know. Just a second.
The road just kept getting worse. Every few kilometers I would see someone who had fallen, someone picking a bike, someone helping another rider, and then we'd all get back on and continue. There was no easy section, no real break, just one obstacle after another. Until somewhere along the way, at 14,000 feet, you could hear your own breath, the sound of the engine, the tires hitting the rocks, and between all of that, silence. It felt like the mountains were talking to us, reminding us how small we actually were on our tiny motorcycles, trying to make our way through a landscape that felt almost endless. And then, after hours of riding through all that chaos, Zanskar finally opened up. And there it was, Padum. Beautiful places. And maybe that's what made Padum so special. It wasn't just a destination we reached, it was a destination we had earned. Every rock, every water crossing, every fall, every kilometer, all of it suddenly made sense. And standing there looking at those mountains, I knew one thing. This wasn't going to be just another place I had visited. This was going to be one of those roads I'd remember for the rest of my life.
We're going to ride about 165 kilometers to Jispa, and this is how our bike looks. And yeah, a beautiful place, no? This Padum. I mean, I feel like it's better than Hanle, better than most of the places that we've we've seen. And hi, Padum should be one of the places that should be in your itinerary. Today we'll be crossing the last pass in our itinerary. That's the Shinkula Pass, and then we'll be hitting Jispa. 2 मिनट क्या बढ़िया टारमैक आता है, फिर ऐसे हो जाता है रोड। ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ भाई साहब, फिर से रोड ब्लॉक हो गया हमारा इधर। और भैया जी जब तक जेसीबी का खुदाई ख़त्म नहीं करते तब तक हम एंजॉय करेंगे जेसीबी खुदाई को। भैया जाने दो यार, प्लीज़ प्लीज प्लीज।
भूल जाऊंगा तो घूम जाएगा, इसके लिए बस शुरू होता है ना, फिर आए तो खत्म ही करूँ। हम लोग थोड़े दिन पहले यही बात कर रहे थे कि हमने निखिल का वीडियो देख के लद्दाख आने का सोचा था।
I mean, I've been following you since the first
2016 from Qatar.
Yeah.
निखिल भाई, never expected you to do it. चलो ले लो, निकलते भाई। यार जल्दी ले लो अभी। गुड जोड़ी।
We are reaching the top of Shinkula Pass, and just look at the view. Oh man, से पूरा हाथ पूरा ठंडा हो गया, फ्रीज हो रहा है। So good morning. We are here in Jispa, and we're literally at the last leg of our trip. We are going to ride 95 kilometers to Manali and stay there for today, and leave to Chandigarh tomorrow, and that's the end of the trip. But man, what a ride it has been. And the last 2 days of riding, man. How do you feel, Suraj? Mixed feelings? इधर का यूं ना उधर का रहा, सफर का ही दाम है सफर. We're almost here at the Atal Tunnel, and we're gonna take a ride from the bridge. Right now, we're coming in from Sisu. You will find this building there, and you take a right, and you go to Manali.
I mean, you can sit behind the motorcycle and do it in the or else walk from out of the car
पान खा रहे हैं अटल टनल. वी आर एंटरिंग अटल टनल. उससे पहले कुछ तो होना चाहिए.
तो पान से शुरुआत करोगे? वाह, क्या बात है.
It's not fun anymore. They are so fast.
We saw all the videos on Instagram, but luckily they've cleared it. Why? Imagine that one tunnel, if it is blocked, how many people will be stuck this side and that side? Hi, crazy. The plan I had was by next year at least, by next year same time, I should be doing Ladakh and I should be taking my own bike and coming to this place. But thankfully बहुत जल्दी हो गया, 2 महीने में हो गया. भाई अलग ही फीलिंग है. When you ride your own motorcycle on these kind of terrains, enjoying the view, बहुत अच्छा होता है. Road to your left is your Mall Road. ये पूरा मॉल रोड है. So nice. यूं आ रही हूँ. Oh yeah, I did see this place. लगेज भी आ गया भाई. Wow, what a good room. Fucking amazing. Everybody's pretty excited for the last day of riding. Some sad faces also. Look at our Mohsin bhai. News ये है कि सुबह सुबह उन्होंने ओपन कर दिया है. But let's see if it is opened for normal transport, or we'll have to take a longer route which will take more time. So we are in old Manali. This is the mall road. This is the mall road, and बस अभी main road से right और फिर straight to Chandigarh. The road is closed and we are taking a diversion, and this is 55 minutes slower. So we'll have an extra 1 hour to cover up now. हाँ भाई, एक तो इतना गर्मी लग रहा है ना. Are we back to Bangalore yet? Looks like it. भाई साहब, एक तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया है, ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ गई है, इतना गर्मी लग रहा है ना मेरे को अंदर. Can you pass it to Jairaj?
क्या कर रहा है?
रोड पे गिर गया था. After the traffic, we're literally in the mountains again, and I think ये पुराना route है to Chandigarh, which is why it was showing 55 minutes slower than the main road. क्योंकि वो वाला तो highway है. This is the road going through the mountains. You cross this and then you reach to Mandi. So yeah, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, बहुत ह्यूमिडिटी है, बहुत पसीना आ रहा है. Looks like it's going to be a very tiring day than any other day in this whole trip. भैया चंडीगढ़ इधर जाते हैं ना? एकदम से मैं अकेला पड़ गया था. I was like, why is nobody in front of me or behind me? I hope I was not taking the wrong route. और भैया ने तो कंफर्म कर दिया है, तो कोई दिक्कत वाली बात ही नहीं है. भाई लग रहा है एक ब्रेक तो बनता है बहुत. ना, आई थिंक वी आर टेकिंग द बाईपास. More kilometers to go. Just taken a small break, and now we are headed back again. Like, bye. We're at the last 66 kilometer stretch, and we stopped again just to take a breath. And क्या चला गया? Oh. So just we're gonna remove the rail lines and everything because it's become really humid at this point. But man, so far so good. Don't worry, Lucas. We'll reach and we'll sit in the AC.
I'm gonna take like, you also have a
Bathtub.
yeah. I'm gonna take a bathtub with I'm thinking all the people in that bathtub, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Congo. What the hell? No. Congrats. Just now, 15. कैसे हो? मैं ठीक हूँ.
भैया मैं थोड़ा है पीछे यार.
Congratulations. Chance.
Finally did it.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Here we are in Chandigarh.